Hello guys, so we are back again, and in this session we are going to begin with uh, with the thing which we have started earlier, which was first order first degree ordinary differential equation. So the question which we are going to take, we have completed two questions on the previous session. We are going to take the third question on the topic. The question is as follow. First, in this session we are not going to write the statements as I mentioned in the previous session. So you will just check the statements of the previous session in which we have mentioned all the statements, and it will be same only, but I will speak in this session. Okay, I will not write the statements. Now before starting with the question, hope you have subscribed our channel so that we can bring more engineering mathematics contents for you guys. So the question, first you have to write it in the dy by dx. So write the given equation in the form dy by dx plus p of x y into q of equals to q of x. You have to write it in the format. So if you write it dy by dx plus here minus 3 by x, okay, dy by dx. So here independent, okay, dependent variable should be there, which is nothing but y, and here we will move it that side, so x minus x cube. Remember, whatever independent variable function will be a function of x, okay, and here why we kept it here, because it has y terms attached with it, which can act as my p of x y, p of x into y. Now here you can identify what is. So this is a first order linear differential equation of the form dy by dx plus p of x into y equals to q of x, where p of x is what, minus 3 by x, and q of x is what, q of x is nothing but you can say q of x is x minus x cube. So if you make out this thing, what you can see that after this what we have to do, we have to go for looking for the integral p of x dx, because it is the term which appears in our integrating factor. So if we substitute minus 3 by x into dx, it is nothing minus 3 ln x, which is nothing but ln x to the power minus 3. Now integrating factor is nothing but e to the power integral p of x dx. If you substitute that, e to the power ln x to the power minus 3, which is 1 by x cube, don't you think? So its solution is y into integrating factor into bracket integrating factor into q of x dx plus c into 1 by x cube. What is q of x? X minus x cube into dx plus c. If you see 1 by x square bracket minus 1 into dx plus c, right? After this, if you just try to calculate the value, you will come to know this. If you do its integration, minus 1 by x will be there, and here it will be x, right, plus c. So this is our required answer. Integrating factor is 1 by x cube. So hope you have understand this its solution. First we write it in the format, okay, the standard format. Then we compared and got our p of x and q of x. We got the integrating term which appear in integration factor, okay, got our integrating factor, and we know its solution is given by this, and we got the solution. Now let's move on to the next questions. The next question which we are going to take is as follow. Question number 4. So writing the given differential equation in the format, first observe dy by dx is, so its form will be dy by dx plus p of x into y equals to q of x. So just write it in the format dy by dx plus 3x square into y equals to q of x square, okay. So this is a first order linear differential equation of the form dy by dx plus p of x into y equals to q of x, where p of x is nothing but your 3x square, right, and q of x is nothing but 6x square, if I am right. Now you have to go for getting p of x dx. Why? Because it is a part of our integrating factor. The moment you put that, you are going to get x cube by 3, which will cancel out with this c. So this is your this part. Now integrating factor is e to the power integral p of x dx, which is nothing but e to the power x cube, right? So you are getting integrating factor as e to the power x cube. Now what you have to do, you know the formula for getting first order linear differential equation, which is y into integrating factor, or nothing but independent, okay, dependent variable into integrating factor equals to, okay, integrating factor into independent function into dx plus c. So just write that here, y into integrating factor into bracket integrating factor into independent function, which is q of x into dx plus c, right? Now bracket e to the power x cube into independent variable independent function, which is 6x square into dx plus c, and here if we substitute e to the power x cube, right? Now what you can take here, you can observe, you have to do your basic integration. If you take x cube equals to t, you can make out this is nothing but 3x square dx equals to dt. So you can substitute x square dx is nothing but dt by 3. The moment you substitute here, okay, I will do it in steps, each and every step. E to the power t, you know x square by dx, we can write it, and here 6 is there. So if we write x square dx as dt by 3, okay, they will cancel out, and what we are going to get is nothing but 2 e to the power t dt bracket plus c. Now if you integrate this, 2 will move out, and e to the power t by differentiation of t in the denominator will be t only, which will be 1 only. So 2 e to the power t plus c will be our required answer. Now if you resubstitute the e to the power t, which is nothing but t was what? T we have taken x cube. So 2 e to the power x cube plus c into y into e to the power x cube. So this is our answer. Okay, hope you have understand each and every step. Now let's move on to the next question. Okay, the question was very simple, just you need to know this integration part, which is your class 12th. Okay, and in class 12th you have practiced a lot of integration, because the integration chapter is quite a bit lengthy chapter, and you come across a lot of integration type questions. Now let's move on to the next question. So the next question which we are going to take is this, which says solve dy by dx plus bracket 1 plus x upon x into y equal to e to the power x by x. Just observe what is given, dy by dx. So I should know my presentation, okay, writing the given differential equation as what should be found, dy by dx plus p of x into y equals to q of x. So we will write it as dy by dx plus bracket 1 plus x upon x into y equal to e to the power x by x. Okay, this is the first order linear differential equation where, okay, of the form dy by dx plus p of x into y equals to q of x, where you can clearly identify that p of x is nothing but 1 plus x upon x, and q of x is nothing but, you can say it is e to the power x by x. Okay, so you can identify these two things, and after identifying, what you have to do, get integral p of x dx, because it is a part of our integrating factor, right? So if you try to get it, what you will get, integral 1 plus x upon x into dx. You have to get the integral of this thing, right? Now how you will get the integral of this thing? Just, okay, don't get afraid, okay, just split out the x. So it will be 1 by x plus 1 into dx. Now do integration ln x plus x. Okay, this is our integrating factor, integrating factors top part. Okay, now you will understand. So integrating factor is nothing but e to the power integral p of x dx, which is e to the power ln x plus x. So you can see, we can write it e to the power ln x into e to the power x. This will become x, so x e to the power x. Okay, so this is our one of the thing. Now its solution is, okay, its solution is given by what? Its solution is given by y into integrating factor equals to bracket integrating factor into independent function, which is q of x into dx plus c. So y into x e to the power x equals to bracket integrating factor x e to the power x. Q of x is what? Q of x is nothing but 1 plus x upon x, okay, into dx. Sorry, this will be e, okay, let me write it here. This will be nothing but e to the power x by x. Okay, this is our q of x. Okay, this is our q of x. So if I substitute here dx plus c, now you can clearly see xx will cancel out, and here e to the power 2x will appear into dx plus c. If you integrate it, e to the power 2x into, in the denominator, differentiation of 2x, which is 2 plus c. So this is our required answer. So hope you have understand each and every step. Now let's move, let's do the next question. Okay, in the next